Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to embed Gmail into a Notion page. So to start with, you want to head to your Notion account and we're going to scroll down to where it says settings. I'm going to click on that, and from there, third one down at the top, it says connections. I'm going to click on there. So this is where you can connect a lot of different apps and software to your Notion account. So we're going to search for Gmail in this first tab that says explore. So clicking on there and you'll be given a different workspace AI connectors. So here I can see Gmail. So I'm going to click on that. So it's important for me to mention, if you want to connect Gmail to your Notion account, you're going to have one of the paid plans. So if that's what you want to do, go ahead and pay for one of the business plans, and then I'll show you how to embed Gmail into one of your Notion pages. So from there, when you've connected Gmail, I'm going to go to one of my pages. Let's have a look. So my daily planner, I'm going to open that up, scroll down, and here is where you can do different things with your Notion page. So I'm going to do the / and then type in embed. And this is where you'll be given all the different things you can embed into your Notion page. So if you want to embed Gmail into your Notion page, this is how you do it. You will search for it here. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.